In chapter 12, we deal with algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are polynomials. It could be monomial, a binomial or trinomial. Now, what is the meaning of a monomial? If you have a single term like 2x, then we can say it is a monomial because it is made up of a single term, and that single term is 2x. If we have two unlike terms, let us say 2x plus 3y, then this is called a binomial. So, I can say that 2x plus 3y is a binomial. We have 2xy plus 3y plus 7x. We have three different terms here. These are three unlike terms, and such terms are known as trinomials, and all these are polynomials. So, these are all referred to as algebraic expressions. So, we could have a monomial, we could have a binomial, trinomial, or it could be made of more than three terms. Now, these are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. But if we have 2x plus 3x, we should not classify it as a binomial. The reason is that 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. That is a monomial. So, although we are seeing that there are two terms here, one is 2x and 3x, we will not classify it as a binomial. It is going to be a monomial because these are like terms, and like terms can be added. And when we add the like terms, we are going to get a single term, and hence we can say that this is a monomial. So, what is the meaning of a like term? Like terms are terms which have the same coefficient. Here the coefficients are different, but the same variable. So, here the variable is x, the variable is x. If the variables are same, we can say the terms are same, we can add them. So, if you have 2xy plus 3xy, again we see that the variables are xy here and the variables are xy here. So, this term and this term are said to be like terms. So, 2xy plus 3xy, we can simply add it, and the result is going to be 5xy. Again we say that this is a monomial. So, we have to be very careful that when we classify monomial, binomial and trinomial, they have to be simplified, as in these cases we observed, and we also have to see that they are made up of unlike terms, because unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted, and hence we can make the final conclusion whether it is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. Now, what about finding the terms and coefficients? If you want to see what are the terms and what are the coefficients of an algebraic expression, let us say we are given 2xy plus 3y minus 7xyz. Now, what are the terms here? There are three terms here. The first term is 2xy, the next term is 3y, and the next term here is minus of 7xyz. So, when we have the three terms, we have two parts. One is the coefficient part and one is the variable part. So, here the coefficient of xy, the term is xy, and the coefficient of xy is 2. So, I can say the coefficient of the term xy is 2. If you look at the next term, that is the term is y and the coefficient of this is 3. The next term similarly, the term is xyz, but the coefficient that is here is minus 7. So, here we can be asked to classify the terms and the coefficients. So, the terms are the variables and the coefficients are the numbers written along with these variables. So, if you are having simply x and no number is written in front of it, it simply means that the term is x and the coefficient of such terms is going to be 1. So, this you will have to take note that if there is no number in front of a variable, that coefficient will be taken as 1.